Alrighty, here we are, everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to do a simple eyeshadow look. If you want to see what this look is going to turn out to be, keep watching. And please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so when my video does go out, you will be notified. Thank you very much for subscribing. Quick video. I am back with a complete look. Just putting on my earrings and we are all set. The eyes are done. Trying to find where the earring goes. And this is today's makeup of the day. This is my eye look for today. Staying creative, being my own artist, and this is what I have accomplished today. This is it. Today I used the Uoma foundation. I used the Flory Roberts Papaya Punch Blush. My lipstick is by Laura Geller, which I got in my BoxyCharm. And the palette I used today is the Uoma Black Savage. I used this blue right here. And that's it. Staying creative, having fun with my eye makeup. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Monix Makeup, check her out. Monix Makeup, I love you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.